Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming cluster access. Check your kubeconfig, run kubectl get nodes, and fix permissions if you cannot connect. Once done, install Helm 3 and add required repos so you can fetch charts. Helm repo update keeps indexes current. Then create a namespace and a basic chart with Helm create my app so you have a deployable template to edit. This gets you into the system quickly while avoiding manual YAML boilerplate, letting you focus on templating and values. Now customize the chart to match your app, update values. YAML with the image repository, tag, and replica count, define service type and resource requests so the scheduler behaves predictably. Edit templates to wire environment variables, config maps, secrets, and ingress rules. This is where you convert app requirements into Kubernetes objects. Use Helm lint to catch template issues, Helm template to render manifests locally, and Helm diff or Helm upgrade dry run to pre-deploy with Helm upgrade install, adding atomic and a sensible timeout so failed upgrades roll back automatically. This protects production. After deployment, verify with kubectl get pods, kubectl rollout status deployment /myapp, describe and kubectl logs to confirm behavior. If networking is involved, test via port forward or ingress endpoints. Troubleshoot by inspecting events, image pull errors, resource limits, and Helm hooks. These are common culprits. If something still fails, revert with Helm rollback and iterate on values and templates until stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.